Coke and ice. A perfect match, right? But have you ever wondered exactly what happens if you let it sit for 5 minutes? Let's find out. All we need is a glass, some ice, fresh Coke, and a thermometer to track the mystery. Will it become a watery mess? Or will it lose all its fizz? Drop your guess in the comments right now. Okay, stopwatch ready. Let's pour this classic logic-defying sweetness and start the time. NOW. 1 minute in. It looks amazing. Super cold, maximum fizz. We're at a chilling 4 degrees Celsius. Now we wait. As the room heat starts its invisible attack on our perfect drink. Quick science. Ice provides nucleation sites. This actually makes CO2 escape faster at first.
3 minutes. Ice is melting fast. The water is creating a lighter layer on top. Fizz is calming down.
Dilution is happening. The classic 10.6% sugar concentration is thinning out by the second.
Approaching the 5-minute mark, the ice is almost gone. Let's see what we're left with. Time's up. Visual check. Watery, significantly less carbonation, and the temperature has doubled to 9 degrees. Taste test, yeah. It's still sweet, but it's weak and flat. The refreshing bite is completely gone. So, what happens? Heat melts ice, watering down flavor, and ice's rough surface helps push all the fizz away.
Pro tip for Coke purists: chill your glass beforehand to minimize ice melting. Try it yourself, like this video, and subscribe for more fun logic testing DIY experiments. Drink responsibly.